What's poppin', my YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Back again today with another shoe reveal. I can't wait to show you guys what I got my hands on, but first of all, I just want to say thank you. If you don't know, the channel has reached 100 subscribers, and I'm just completely lost for words. I started this journey about a year or so ago, and I didn't really imagine this would actually kind of be successful. So once again, I just want to thank everyone for the support, for the subscribes, for the likes, the shares, the comments, the everything. You guys rock. I can't wait to continue to grow with all of you, and please stay tuned for more. But thank yous out the way. I got my hands on a pair of Travis Scott Jordan 6s. Got them. Yeah, I'm just lost for words, you guys. Like this is gonna be a really good shoe review. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna go into detail, show you the shoe, and let me just start by saying I'm completely mind blown by these shoes. They're beautiful. Some of the best shoes I've ever seen. So let's get into the review without further ado. You guys, here they are, bro. This box, this presentation is beautiful. They got the Cactus Jack written on the side. They got the little Travis Scott face with the Jordan on it. So just from the box, not even getting to the shoe, we already kind of got a 10 for 10 because this box is super legit. It even has the colorway of the shoe from the box that they just kind of showing out at this point. So when you see the box, you get past it, you open up the box. What is that on the top? Put that down for a second. It is one of these old school Jordan backpacks. You see that? Check it out. It has the Jordan sign on it that matches the shoe with the Cactus Jack inscribed on the back. So if you ever want to kind of just, throw it on for a second, this is actually a lot more comfortable than I remember. I used to wear these around all the time when we didn't want to wear book bags and have these on, go to the gym, do your thing in these. So that's the first cool part. You can put your shoes in here, you can put whatever you want to in here, bro, and that's super cool. So just gonna toss that back there for a second. Get back to the shoe itself. So they wrapped it up kind of like twice. So you have this first layer of paper, you peel that back, and normally you expect to see Jordans, but there's another layer of paper. You only have to peel that back, and then, and only then, do you get to the beautiful, and I do mean beautiful. Like, just look at it for a second. Take a look at it. Can you see it? Let me just pull them out real quick. And here it is, you guys, in all of its glory. Now, when I saw these, I was like, you know what, $250 for a Travis Scott shoe, I don't get it. It's a little pricey. And I was telling myself, I was like, surely there can be something else we can get for $250. But let me just tell you guys something. It's well, and I do mean well worth it. This is probably the most beautiful shoe I've ever touched or laid eyes on. It has suede, a lot of suede Jordans that came out just in this past month alone, so they're hopping on the suede still. And if you just look at this, the detail that goes into this shoe, bro, you can actually wear this like on an everyday purpose. Now, if you checked out my last shoe review, I was talking about the Jordan 4s, how they were so blue that I didn't really want to even wear those out and get them dirty. But for these, you don't really have to worry about dirt, because if you look at the color of the shoe, it's like literally almost the same color as dirt. Even the bottom layer here, it's already kind of like yellowish. Like those fade over time, but this is already kind of yellow. The only part you have to truly worry about kind of getting dirty It's this kind of beige white part down here, and that's an easy clean, bro. Like this blew me away. And then I love, absolutely love the bottom, how you can kind of see through. It has the Travis Scott written across, of course. It has that same face, Cactus Jack. And I don't know, it's just something about this orange Jordan sign that's giving me all types of cool vibes. Oh, we can't forget about the pocket. It's a pocket on the shoe. It's an actual pocket on the shoe. And then on the other side, it has a zipper. And you can actually stash stuff inside here, which I love. And then, you know, like any true sneakerhead, you gotta get a good smell for it. These even kind of smell like, they smell like money to me. And I'm not capping, they smell like money. Everything about this shoe, the detail that goes into it is crazy good. I like how they put this little clear layer right here on the tongue, and it kind of goes to the back strip as well. This is like clear and orange. The beautiful fluorescent Nike Air sign on the back. I just can't get enough of looking at this shoe. And there's even like another one of these little replaceable things here. I don't know what you actually call them. Where's that thing? It's like an orange one. Is in the other pocket? Oh, yep. Here it is right here. You can take that out and replace it. So if you want to, you can take out the clear one and put an orange one on there. Or if you want to, just leave it in there. Oh, and still has a little stitching right there of the face, if you can see it. That's why I said this is like a beautiful shoe. I haven't really come across a shoe this dope before. So these are currently reselling, of course, for like $400 to $500 and up. If you haven't gotten a pair of these, I probably recommend you buy them now, because I always see these going up and up and up in price. And it's actually a really cool shoe, man. Like I'm really blown away by how good this shoe is. And it's beautiful, it's very light. Like there's nothing wrong with this shoe. I look for shoes, I look for the faults in them. I try to kind of be positive about them all, but I didn't have to look for anything. The shoe just kind of speaks for itself. It sells itself. It's going to take care of all your wants and needs. That much I guarantee you. Definitely would invest in a pair of these if I were you, because like these are just hard, bro. These are kind of like neutral. They're not too loud, but like you can put these on with some khakis if you want to. Even if you're just like gonna run khakis and a white t-shirt, these are gonna grab attention. You don't have to, like I said, you don't have to worry about the dirt. They're gonna take care of yourself. Just well done. Travis Scott, he might be on something. I don't know if he had anything to do with this design, but it's gorgeous. So that's gonna be it for the review, you guys. Let me know if I'm capping. If I am, let me know. But I think this is like, if I had to rate this out of 10, this is a 10 out of 10 shoe. And I can say that very comfortably. Now, I've got to show you guys too, they also give you shoestrings as well. They got some orange ones and some brown ones to go with the beige or the khaki here, so you can switch those out. There's just so many options for this shoe, bro. It's too much. It's just too much for me. So I really love that shoe. It's beautiful. I would recommend getting those. If you got your hands on those, God bless you. You are a chosen one. But that's it for this shoe edition, guys. Let me know if you guys were able to get the shoe. What are some of the things you may like about the shoe or dislike about the shoe? Because I haven't heard anybody say anything negative about the shoe. And at this point, they did. I wouldn't listen to them. That's all I got for today, you guys. Once again, thank you so much for the 100 subscriptions. We're going to keep on climbing. Stay tuned. I got more stuff coming in the next few weeks, next few days. Stay tuned. I'm here. I'm active. Let's get it. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.